Hi, I'm Chris Wico, the CEO of Torque. Let's start off with the basic phones. First of its list is actually the D1i. This phone is actually our most affordable all-in phone. We say all-in because it has camera and Bluetooth at only the price of $599. It's dual SIM also. All our devices are dual SIM. It's in a 32 gig memory.
Okay.
D5i, it's actually like the big brother of D1i. Everything is the same. There's Bluetooth camera and it comes with the headset. So you could use it for FM radio. So it's also expandable 32 gig memory at the price of $699. The most affordable mobile TV phone. This model is called the DTV5. It's priced at $899. So it's using a 2.2-inch QSIP screen. It's dual SIM. It has camera, Bluetooth, and it has mobile TV. DTV5, 2.4-inch QVGA display, but only the price of $1,099. So it's actually quite slim. So we call it the DTV Slim. Bigger screen, camera, Bluetooth, a mobile TV as well. Yeah, the touchscreen ones. Actually, we're very proud of this model because sometimes they look at it and we call it the mouse phone. This one sports an IPS display, so you can look at it in all angles. It has
Plus
TV
Wi-Fi.
and it has Wi-Fi. Only the price of $1,399. The last model that we highlight today is actually a model called i80. This one is a capacitive touchscreen phone, 3.5 inch, price of $1,499. It has Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth, it has mobile TV. So it's a complete package. So that ends our highlight of the 6 new models that we launched for the Torque feature phones. Let me now introduce to you the Android smartphones. Start off with our most inexpensive model, which is the Droidz TV. Actually, we're already quite sure that this will be a sure hit already in the market. Because for the price of $1,999, this is a dual core with mobile TV, Android Jelly Bean 4.2 handset.
Nice.
Okay, so this is the Droidz TV. Watch out for that model.
Right.
Then we move on to the next model, which is called the Pop 3G. As the name dictates, it's a 3G Android device. Although it uses a single core 1 gigahertz, this one sports a 3G chipset already. At only the price of $2,499. So this one is our cheapest 3.5-inch 3G Android phone. 3 megapixel rear camera. The next model called Play 3G. At the price of $2,999. This one is a dual core 3G Android Jelly Bean device. As the name dictates, Play 3G. So this is also a 3G device. At 3.5-inch display. We move on to the bigger screens. This model is called Active 3G. It's a bigger screen of the Pop 3G. That one is 3.5 inch. This one is 4 inch. Also Android Jelly Bean 4.1 device. An even bigger version of the Droidz Force. This one sports a 4.5 inch display. So it's 3G also. Price of $3,299. The next model is called the Atom S, the successor of our model Atom and Atom X. At only the price of $3,399. It's also a dual core 3G device. It's also dual SIM, and it's also Android Jelly Bean 4.2. It has a 4-inch screen. The next model is called the Avatar TV. Android 4.2 device. A big hit already in the market. We're already selling this model. Sports a 5-inch display, WVGA, and then it has a mobile TV and it's dual core at $3,999. The next model is called Space 3G. Space because it has massive space if you compare it to the Droidz Avatar TV. It's also 5-inch, but it's using a 4x3 display as compared to a 16x9. This is a single core device also, and it's only at the price of $3,499. 3G capable, and the 3G devices of all the Torque handsets, comparing to all the other competitors, ours will work on all networks because it supports a 850 and 2100 megahertz. It supports. Our flagship model is called the Life HD. This one is using a 5.5-inch IPS HD display. This one you could already start playing your HD videos. It's a quad-core device, 4 gig ROM, 1 gig RAM memory, 18 megapixel camera in front, and a 5 megapixel front camera. At only the price of $8,499. 30% value of the major brands. So that ends the smartphones that we launched today. Some of the models are already available in the market since last week. And then the other models will come in the next few weeks before the month of January. To complete the entire lineup, we showed you the feature phones and the smartphones. Now we go to the Droidz tablet. We start off with the most amazingly priced tablet, which is the Droidz Edge. at the price of 1,999 only. It's a 7-inch WVGA capacitive touch tablet with dual cameras. Supports a 2-megapixel camera at the back and VGA camera in front. And it supports Wi-Fi, so at 1,999. The sibling of the Edge is called Duo Slim. At the price of 2,499, this model is already dual core. So same features except this is dual core. 7-inch tablet that supports Wi-Fi. And then let's move on to the next model called Droidz Drive Slim. This model is actually quite a hit also because this is the successor of our Drive, Drive Plus, and Drive I models. Now you'll notice is that it's now pretty handy because now you could shoot this in your pocket. That's why it's slim as well as the width is actually less than what the brothers before. So this one supports a 3G dongle, or it has a memory card slot, and you could slot in your GSM SIM. So it supports 2G SIM. And supports 3G dongle. You could do a call and text. This is actually a call and text tablet.
Nice.
So you could plug in a 2G SIM or plug in an external 3G dongle. The Droidz Duo TV. Duo TV is like the Duo. It's dual core. There's Wi-Fi, and then this one has TV. Those who want to go out and watch TV, having a hard time looking at the TV in your smartphones or in your basic phones, this is a good alternative because the screen is bigger.
Nice.
So you can watch your favorite telenovelas or your sport shows here. Push Plus. Push Plus is actually a dual core version of the Drive Slim. So it has a SIM card slot also here.
For calling and texting?
For calling and texting as well. Then you could plug in an external 3G. This one supports HDMI now. And then this one is dual core. So it's like the Drive, but this dual core version. The next model called the Portal X. This is a dual SIM, dual core 7-inch tablet. It's quite slim and it's handy, like the one that I showed you a while ago. And this is powerful because this dual core, dual SIM 3G. It's 3G is 850 2100 megahertz as well. So this is the Portal X. Now for those who would dream to want to have iPad minis but have a hard time budgeting for it, now this comes in handy is the Droidz Mini. If you look at the device, it's actually it uses a 1024 by 7068 display, dual SIM device as well. So it supports 3G also. So it's like the Portal X, but since Portal X is 7-inch, this one is 7.85 inch. It can call and text using the first and the second SIM. So this is a dual core, dual SIM device. 3G, 850, 2100, 5,699 only. Just like Mini D, this one is quad core. Everything is the same, 1024 by 768, except that this one is a quad core dual SIM device, and it's 3G 850 21 megahertz as well. Supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Droidz Mini Q. So this one completes our lineup. This model is 7,699 only. If you're watching this, you could go into your favorite stores. There's lots of Torque kiosks and concept stores nationwide where you can buy all these devices. Thank you for joining us.